Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play air battles in War Thunder with friends. First, you'll want to add your friends in-game. From the main menu, click the friends icon, then search for their username and send a friend request. Once they accept, you can easily invite them to your squad. War Thunder offers various air battle modes, including arcade, realistic, and simulator battles, each providing a unique experience. After forming your squad, select your preferred game mode and hit to battle to join a match together. Before entering battle, coordinating your aircraft choices is crucial for a strong team. For instance, combining nimble fighters with heavy attackers can create a versatile squad. Discussing communication methods like using in-game chat or external voice chat will ensure smooth coordination. Decide on basic tactics, such as who will engage enemies first or who will provide cover, to maximize your effectiveness. A well-planned approach can significantly increase your chances of victory in the skies. During the heat of battle, effective teamwork is paramount. Use in-game markers to quickly point out enemy locations to your squadmates. Clear communication about who is targeting which enemy, or when a defensive maneuver is needed, can prevent confusion and friendly fire. Always try to stay within a reasonable distance of your squadmates, perhaps within 1 to 2 kilometers, to offer and receive mutual support. This close proximity allows for quick assistance and coordinated attacks. After each match, take a few moments to review your performance with your friends. Discuss what went well and what could be improved for future battles. Don't be afraid to experiment with new aircraft combinations or try different tactical approaches. Every match, whether a victory or a defeat, offers valuable lessons. Celebrating your successes and learning from your challenges together will strengthen your teamwork and make your War Thunder experience even more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.